Today we're going to install a Pro-Lok EPL-104 patio door lock. This is a unique lock that has a push button. So you actually push in on the key cylinder and it locks the bolt in place. To unlock it, you actually insert the key, turn the key, and it retracts the bolt. So first thing you want to do is find the location on the door that you want to install the lock on. Take an awl or a pencil, mark your 2 screw holes, and then push in on the lock, and you see where the bolt is. You can mark it with an awl, or if you like, I like to put a little dab of lipstick on the center of the bolt. When I push in on the bolt, it actually will leave a little dab of lipstick right on the door so I know exactly where to drill for the bolt. Okay, now that you have the lock installed in the closed position, it's locked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the door a few inches, and I still have a little bit of lipstick left on here. I'm actually going to mark it again and drill a secondary hole, which is a ventilation hole. Okay, so after you've drilled the second hole, you can actually now open up the door a few inches and lock it in this position here. This way, you've got a few inches for ventilation to come in, but someone can't just come and open the door